All right, let's say you're curious about data mining, but you don't want to touch a single line of code. Here's a simple, step-by-step roadmap to get hands-on with real data. No IT headaches, no programming required. Step 1. Learn the lingo. Download a free What is Data Mining? PDF, Geeks for Geeks. Memorize 6 key terms. Dataset, attribute, pattern, algorithm, model, evaluation. Trust me, this will make everything else click. Step 2. Install Orange Data Mining. It's open source. About 150 megabytes, works like PowerPoint. Drag and drop widgets. No Python, no Java, no stress. Step 3. Try the built-in tutorial. Open Orange, go to Help. Start the market basket analysis tutorial. In 25 minutes, import a CSV. Build a model. See your first association rules. Without writing a single line of code. Step 4. Now use your own data. Export an Excel list, like your expenses, to CSV. Load it into Orange. Connect the data widget. Connect the associate widget. Connect the data table widget. Boom. You've just mined your first pattern from real life. And if you want a badge for your efforts, Step 5 is optional. Take the Data Mining with Orange course on Udemy. Add the certificate to your LinkedIn. So, in one weekend, you can honestly say, I performed association rule mining on real data. No coding, no jargon, just pure discovery. Give it a try and see what patterns you uncover in your own world.